At the New American Home event, what is it about Caesarstone that you find so appealing?
It's sexy.
Oh, it's fantastic. We've got all our partners, our customers here supporting us, and the design is just out of this world.
The models that represent the material for Caesarstone and the precious stone are amazing.
I think what makes Caesarstone unique is that we come out with the same expectation about the future, but then we try to take it to our way. Our way is different than the others.
So one of my favorite parts of the home is Caesarstone's. They have a precious stone called Concetto, and it's like the jewelry of our master bathroom. It's backlit on the back wall in the master closet, and it kind of steals the whole show.
The finishes are so smooth, it just feels like touchable. It's the whole entire house is touchable. I'm sorry, it's just sexy.
We are just so thrilled with the turnout and all the compliments we've received on the home. We are, of course, just ecstatic about the whole event.
This is how Caesarstone was meant to be enjoyed, and we love being here. We think it's a perfect showcase for our company and our brand.
Well, the inspiration is as far as the mind can imagine, and that's really what Caesarstone's all about. And this home just epitomizes that as well in the design.